next one. Is it okay to purchase used clothes and items from a second-hand store?
Mm-hmm. So there is no problem to buy used items from. So I mean the only problem could be some things. For example, if you buy like I don't know some dishes, it would be a problem. Some things you can buy if you want to kosher them, there is no problem. Like I don't know, like some antique stuff. For example, you want to buy antique silver spoons, right? So I mean they have a few scratches here and there, so they cost like 10%, 15% of the original price, so or to 20%, whatever they cost. So there is no problem. You can buy it, kosher them, and you can use them. But other things, I mean, there is no problem whatsoever. Could be a problem if it belongs to a very like evil person. So it could be a problem. So what is the problem? Um, um, so when person is a sinner, so his like energy, his aura is going to all of his things around the house. How long does it stay in that in these things? I don't know. It's Kabbalistic stuff, but I know that it goes. So many times people are not that evil, so you can buy. I think there is no problem. Clothing, if it's mother's clothing, so there is no problem whatsoever. I mean, so if person, let's say, was wearing this mother's clothes, and most likely this person was modest, so he would not do all these sins, right?